Optimizing cash flow and managing complex financial processes can be a significant challenge for any large global organization, but they are the utmost importance. For one of our customers, efficiency and accuracy in their cash collection process were priorities. The unapplied cash processes involved matching customer payments to specific invoices, but their processes were very manual and time-consuming. When customers made a payment, there should be a reference to what they're paying for, and in most cases, that wasn't happening. And when customers only made partial payments, matching those payments was a very manual and time-consuming process. This can obviously lead to inaccurate financial reporting, impaired cash flow management, increased operational costs, and of course, strained customer relations. Our customer recognized the need for a transformative solution and chose Automation Anywhere to deliver the impact and value they needed. With AI-powered automation for complex processes like cash collection and reconciliation, cash flow improved by an average of £9 million per month, strengthening their overall financial well-being. This is just one of over 250 automations they're using. Previously, there were more than 30 people dedicated to this task, and now with the power of Automation Anywhere, they've freed up that capacity to focus on more strategic initiatives. Not only have they freed up their most valuable assets, their people, to create more impact for the business, they are also now 100% compliant with their payment KPIs. And since launching the automation, outstanding payments are no longer held for more than 21 days. In addition to increased accuracy, efficiency, and speed, there's been a positive impact on morale across the entire team. So now let's look at what the automation actually does. First, the agent logs into SAP. It checks which customers have unapplied payments on their account without any instruction. The agent has been set up to send 3 specific chasers. After the 3rd chaser, and this will be 29 days later, the agent automatically clears the payment in SAP. An email will be sent to the customer letting them know how the payment will be assigned to their overdue invoices. By embracing this kind of innovation, they've used Automation Anywhere to transform their cash collection process. This success story is a prime example of how AI-powered automation can help you ensure financial stability, compliance, and efficiency. And for this customer, they've even uncovered more possibilities for enterprise-level impact across the rest of the organization. Learn more about the power of AI-powered automation at automationanywhere.com.